What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I apologize right now for the wind noise because it's very windy. However, I want to say thank you to Super Clean because they reached out to me. They sent me a few of their products, and today we're going to be using one of their products. Now, they sent me their new aerosol spray for their regular degreaser, and then their spray bottle of their Super Clean spray, and then they also sent me a foaming one. So we're going to be using the foaming one. They also sent me a container of their absorbent. Definitely going to be using that because I'm always spilling things in the garage. And they also sent me a spray bottle of wheel cleaner, which you can never keep your wheels too clean. But I have people coming over later today and the grill is filthy, so we're going to be cleaning this guy, and it's like echoing back at me. But first off, I want to show you guys my hat. So this is a really dirty side, been like this for over a year. Grease, oil, everything that I've had my hands in and then touched my hat with. And then the clean side, this was all done with the spray. Wasn't the foaming spray, but it was the regular spray, and as you can tell, definitely did its job. So today we got the foaming. No, we won't be using the chips as a cleaner, but basically you just want to spray everything down. Now they do have a chart on dilution, depending on what you're cleaning, how to dilute it, and well, it's safe for almost everything, depending on how much you need to dilute it. But otherwise, something like this, we're just going to spray the foaming action on. Ooh. Yeah, we're going to get it all the way up in there because we're going to clean this thing nice and good. Wow, so you can see where I didn't scrub, like I didn't put the scrub brush on, but you can see where I did scrub, and it is shiny. Also, I scrubbed over here too, or I didn't even scrub it, I just used a little bit of microfiber cloth, and definitely cleaned up the stainless itself. So probably do a quick wipe down, maybe, I don't know. Most people don't really care about the grill itself when you're having people over. All they care about is what's on the grill. So I'm gonna head into the garage where it's less windy. So, but like I said, they sent me the foaming action. They sent me the regular Super Clean spray, their new aerosol, which I'm gonna use this at some point. And this is what I mean by the dilution chart. So you can see the pH scale for them, and then dilution chart for like indoor, full strength, drain, floor wax, garbage, ovens, scuff marks, shop floors, 3 parts, 1 part, Super Clean, fireplaces, shop equipment, tools, workbenches, outdoor, full strength barbecue grills. So that is all good to go. That's kosher. Auto. So like stainless steel, you want to do 16 parts water, 1 part Super Clean if you're using like the concentrate and stuff like that. But otherwise, they sent me, and you can find this at your local AutoZone. Now available at AutoZone. They might have it at the other ones. Not too sure. And this was a floor absorbent. Gonna find a good use for that. As you can see, I already use it all the time. And where's the wheel cleaner? Here's the wheel cleaner. I'm gonna bust this bad boy out at some point for the F-150. Clean one wheel at a time. And they do say use cold water with this. It's what works best with it. I know most people are like, oh, use hot water. They say cold water. So I use the garden hose. And I will say that grill turned out pretty fantastic. Now, if I was a little bit more patient and let it soak in there, they say don't let it dry on the surface. So try and keep it like wet on the surface and not let it dry, but you don't have to wipe it off right away. So if I was more patient, let it sit, or I don't know, clean the grill a few days ago instead of day of. I probably could let it soak in better, really scrub into those spots. But you know what, for just half an hour of cleaning, maybe 40 minutes, and that grill already looks like that, I'd say the stuff was doing a really good job. So anyways, thank you Super Clean very much for sending me out the stuff. This is not paid promotion or anything. They just sent me out the stuff. However, so far I'm liking what I'm seeing, and you guys are going to definitely be seeing more of it on the channel. So anyways, I'm going to go get ready more because I got more stuff to do around the house. I'm kind of a last minute person because I got so busy with work. We're going to be doing hay rides and other stuff today. So like bonfires, we're all going to be dressing up. So maybe I'll do some footage of that for you guys. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. And I will catch you guys later. Bye.